Anurupyena. Translation: proportionately. In the Nikilam method, we saw either multiplicand or multiplier closer to the base. But what about the multiplication of two numbers, neither of which are closer to the convenient base? For example, 41 times 41, or 62 times 48, or 249 times 246. Example 1. 41 times 41. 41 is not close to 100 or close to 10. So we have to take the next closest base. The next closest base is 50. So we can either multiply 10 times 5 or divide 100 by 2. Let's divide 100 by 2. We do exactly what we would do for the Nikilam method. First find the deviation, then find the sum, and then find the product. The deviation is 41 minus 50. That gives us negative 9. For the sum, remember, we have to cross add. So 41 plus negative 9 gives us 32. And the product, negative 9 times negative 9. That gives us 81. But since we have divided our base by 2, we have to divide the LHS by 2. So that's 32 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. And now we bring down 81. Our total answer is 1,681. Example 2. 58 times 36. 58 and 36 are not close to 10 or close to 100. So we have to take the next closest base. In this case, it's 50. We can either multiply 10 times 5 or divide 100 by 2. Since we have tried division in the previous example, let's try multiplication. Now first find the deviation. The deviation for 58 is 8 and the deviation for 36 is negative 14. Now we find the sum. 36 plus 8 is 44 and 58 minus 14 is also 44. Write 44 on the left hand side. Now we find the product. 8 times negative 14 is negative 112. Since we have multiplied 10 times 5 to get 50, we have to multiply the LHS times 5. But since our product is negative, we have to bring down a 0. So now we're multiplying 44 times 50. That gives us 2,200. But since our product is negative, we have to subtract. So 2,200 minus 112 gives us 2,088. Our answer is 2,088. Example 3. 3,998 times 4,998. Both of these numbers are not close to 1,000 or close to 10,000. So we can divide 10,000 by 2 to get 5,000 as our closest base. First find the deviation. The deviation for 3,998 is negative 1,002. And our deviation for 4,998 is negative 2. Now find the sum. 3,998 minus 2 is 3,996. And 4,998 minus 1,002 is also 3,996. Write this on our left hand side. Now we find the product. Negative 1,002 times negative 2 gives us 2,004. Since we divided our base, divided 10,000 by 2, we have to divide the LHS by 2. So 3,996 divided by 2 is 1,998. Now we bring down the 2004. Our total answer is 1,998,2004. Although this way may be long and tedious for small numbers, it can come really handy when you're dealing with big ones. Let's take a look at an example. Can you imagine doing this the conventional way? It would take way too long. Thank you!